The words we choose have power. And when I mean power, they can wound, they can hurt, and they can heal. They can also trigger. So it's really important when it comes to public speaking or going on camera, work for an online course, that you think about the words you use, the words you choose, the words you put into the presentation. If you're using a slide, the images as well as the words, because a word can trigger. Have you ever been called stupid? Have you ever used the word just? Have you ever used the word but? All of these words we use every single day. I am guilty of using the word so too much, and I see that in the transcript when I'm doing the why's why. But it's really important that we think about the weight of the words. When you're an actor, one of the things you're taught to do is to think about how you say something and how you're going to say that line and what you want to get out of the other character. What emotion are you trying to provoke? So next time it comes to public speaking on camera or delivering an online course or presenting a webinar or being a guest on a podcast, have a think about the words you want to use, the words you want to avoid, and the words that might trigger you or your audience.